Te mensage kame withoutwarning. Op 'n moment te skies above effery majorchitei on eer te weer kleer. Te net, as signal bernet trouge effery radiofrekwensie, effery television channel, effery pone aan speaker aan skreen on te planet. It was not a sound anione had hert before diep, laeret, lika 100 foites compressit into one and it carried a translation suprecitat, effery man bang hert it entire of langgeage, tire of dialect, if entire of regionaal accent. People of aarde. Hou havebeen observeet. Hou havebeen studiet. Hou havebeen found to beadanger. Dat was het nog greting. No introduction. No content. Jest afverdekt. Witten minuties, te internet kollaps het inder te weiget of iemand panig. Governments ramlet. Military channels let op witte frantic communication. Scientists reset to telescopes aan satellites trying to find the source. Ansome weer aboove te Pacific Ocean, as septe sisse of as smal island sat kloak het in as simmer dat bent lig het around it's a like water around as stone. Te sippelonge toe te galactus council, a governing bodei of fortuin terees pattevaring civilisation staat had kaitlei wat het humaniteit voor te pas teree 100 eiers. Te had debated, verlet reports, run projections. Ante projections weer not goed. Humaniteit, according to their models, was a klasse 7 volatiele species, intelligent en nou to develop weapons capable of triatening otter worlds, but not uit emotionalei or politisalei materie en nou to betrusted. Their recommendation was formal and unanimous, containment. Ambassador Falauri, a talobang with the pale sulfurskin and voor is that sifted color with the emotion, stood at the front of the council's forward chamber. Ze had autoriteit te rapport. Ze had argiet te kase. Ze had spent te equivalent of 12 jaar te eiers building te argument dat humaniteit needed to bestop het before het reachet te stars. Not destroy it. Not enslave it. Simply contain it. Teir vaster tanlig het research wild bedisrupted. Teir diep space programs wild bekaitlei sabotaget. Ty wild remain on ty smal blee world, blissvolle inaware of wat lei beyond, until the council decided ty weer riadei. It was by the council standards a rifle decision. Ty had not expected earte to respond. The reply came 47 minutes after the initial broadcast. It did not come trouwga formal diplomatic channel. It did not come from a head of state or a Carefully Assembly Committee. It came from a retired United States Marine Sergeant named Donna Reyes, who happened to be sitting in her truck outside a gasstation in New Mexico when the Aline message interrupted her radio. Ze had listened. Ze had talked about it for exactly 47 minutes. Anten ze had pulled out her bone, opened it alle verstream, and looked directly into the camera. Watch it is, ze said. Ze held up her hand. 2 vingers ekten dit. Stryg het op. No words attached. The stream got 12 billion thieves in 3 hours. It betame te image. Not because government chose it. Not because the United Nations endorsed it but because within and our people all over the world weer doing te sameting, holding up 2 vingers on rooftops, in fields, in hospitals and classrooms and military bases. Children drove it on windows. Old women held it up from wheelchairs. Soldiers on actieve details stood at parade rest and raised it in perfect unison. The image was everywhere. Ante message het carried needed no translation. Ambassador Falauri wat het te feet from the observation deck of her ship. Her second in command, a sluit reptilian bang name Chorat, stood beside her witte data tablette had stopped looking at. Is dat a? He started. Eis ze site. Wat does het meen? Ze had studied humaniteit voor 12 jaar. Ze kneef exactly wat het meent. Ze had read tyr historieboeks, tyr waar records, tyr poetrij, tyr komedij, tyr dark humor voorgit en every katastrofe te had ever survivet. Sy knie wat 2 vingers meand wen reis het in defianse by as species staat had kravlet out of kafis, beriet het stiat in plagies, rebeild after every bomb ant eertejake aan vloed, aan stil, had ten nerve toelage about het afterwaard. Het meandstijre not afrijd of is, sy syd kaitlei. Chorate sê dovnes tablet. Sault we befonscher net. Vella oor het dit not answerig het awai. Sy was riadingte in shoming data. Not military data. Not weapons assessments. Sy was riadingte iman internet, te comments, te posts, te jokes, te memes. Witten tree house of the broadcast, himans had already made 40,000 jokes about the alleen message. They had created merchandise. Somione had already written a song. Tere were at least sits van theories about what species the council was made of, anteree of them were disturbingly accurate. Pull up the historical aggression Phyllis se site. Chorate dit. Te skreen verlet with the data. 2 wereldwaars. Regional conflicts numbering into hundreds. Nuclear weapons developed and, crucially, not eased after the first 2. Biological weapons developed and, crucially, mostly contain it. Chemical weapons is it and ten internationale banned. A species that had invented weapons of mass extinction and ten, collectively, decided not to use most of them. Te beil te sage falla oore mermiret, and ten te loket themselves inside it voluntarily. That was the part the council's models had not accounted for. Not te veel lense, te had meseret te veel lense karevallei. It was the restraint. The self-imposed limits. The treaties, the agreements, the international bodies built spevitally to prevent the worst versions of themselves from winning. The council had catalogued 4,400 spattevaring civilisations across the galaxy. Only 60 of them had survived the development of nuclear technology. Aarde was one of them. The council's containment plan, falla oori realiseerd with growing in jase, had asymmetrie weer dealing with a species driven pirelei by aggression. The projections had weighed heavily toward het pension at any cost, dominance, resource extraction, destruction of competing civilisations. And eis, himans did all of those things. But they also simultaneously built hospitals for their enemies. They sent food to nations they were at war witte. They cried at funerals for strangers. They kept animals as companions and maar net temlike familie. They made art about their own worst impulses and ten ease that art to teach their children not to repeat them. The models had missed something fundamental. And now on every screen on the planet, 12 billion of them were holding up 2 fingers. Chorate cleared is rood. The council is reusing our assessment op data. Tel them falla oore syd, jy stil of iets het on te fiets, dat we my halve made aan mistake. Which mistake? Announcing ourselves before we weer ready to follow droog. Tesselense in Terschamber was hiafai. Bechose chorate understood wat ze meant. The council had a seat at the riad, containment, disruption, control to a species that had just responded not with the fear, not with the backing, but with the 2 fingers and 12 billion witnesses. A species that was currently, at this very moment, launching emergency sessions in every major government on the planet. A species whose military forces were not panicking but organizing. A species whose scientists were not hiding but working, cross-referencing the signals vryhensy with the eiers of theoretical research, already building a petire of the SIP's approximate location. They had admitted fear. They had admitted submission, or at worst, stuttered and disorganiseerd defiance that cult bekijtly suppressed. Instead, they had woken something up. Donna Reis was still on haar lieve stream. Sy had been jou net by haar nygeboor, as sy vindt hy haar oud veteran naam het Harold, wo had driven over Venus af te stream. Harold dint sy aanheiting. Hy jest sat in te passenger sjeat, reise 2 vingers uit te windhof and noordet. De chat was gewoon wild. So myone in te comments vrote, te pikke te wrong planet. Het had 2 biljoen likkes bevore te houer was oud. In te voorwaarts chamber of the council sip, ambassador fala ore pilit ip aneef file, one se had never et pette to open. Het was de fonting in sy protocol voor as scenario te council had labeleid, with the bureaucratis inderstatement, non-compliant species response. Sy had alwijs douwgit het was theoretical. A formaliteit. Someting included in te files bekause regulations reiret het seriat te verstlene. Ten seriat het agen. Ten se kloose te file ter net to chorate, aansait 7 woord se had nie versuit in 12 eiers of diplomatiek service. Wanneer toeret hangt is entiere operation. The council kon vanet in emergency session sits house after the broadcast. Voortijtree ambassadors from voortijtree worlds vonet de trouge Joantem relay nodes dat stretchet across vuurstar systems staret at te same image onteier skreens. 2 vingers. 12 biljoen of tem. De image had bekome so widespread dat de councils of een intelligence officers had started using it as a reference tag in die reports as soorthand voor de situation dat nobody had found words vooruit. Ambassador Greltas of de voorna confederatie was de first to speak. Hij was aan imposing bang 7 witte aboduidelijke stak het graniete aan het avoided dat had in de terrein interplanetary trade disputes trouge volume alone. We is the containment order gesite. We proceed as planet. De response is irrelevant. Ty are one woord. We are voortijtree. Villa Ori was on te skreen from te forward chamber of her ship, which was still sitting above the Pacific Ocean. Ze had not slept. Ze had not eaten. Ze had spent sit house reading. I wilt like to revise my triad assessment, se site. The chamber went quiet. In 12 eiers of service Villa Ori had never revised an assessment. Her reports were considerate final documents, comprehensive, watertigheid, en mine to emotional influence. Ze was de reason the council had trusted this mission to her in the first place. Proceed, side council chair Marendos, a wisp ten bang of translucent blue woe had governeerd the council for the equivalent of 200 eiers. My original assessment weigt het human aggression at eigetyd 3% of behavioral probability in conflict scenarios Villa Ori site. Enough believe that figure is accurate bit incomplete. What if I led to weiget adiately was their adaptive response in their eternal triad. Specifically te unify. Sepelit ipte data se had been building for shitshouse. Social cohesion met rits across human nations, historically at frachtieret aan deeply hostile levels, had spekket toneer totaal allegement within the house of the broadcast. Ancient enemies were killing each other. Nations dat hadn't had open diplomatis linus in decades were suddenly uitzanging messages. Religieus groups dat had spent centuries in conflict were is zijn joint statements. Political opponents who had spent eiers attacking each other were standing on the same platforms geving the same speech. Voortuise van eiers ago Villa Ori continued 2 of their nations kame within minutes of nuclear uitzange. Te resolve het trouge as single telefone call. 20 eiers ago their entire global economie nearly collapsed. Te build ne frameworks aan recover het. Nine eiers ago a biological pathogen spread across the entire planet. Te developed a countermeasure in less than a year the fastest pharmaceutical development in the recorded history. In each of these events te triad kame from within. Wat we are looking at now is the first time in the history that the triad is eternal and universal. Suppose to let that land. Te haven never had a common enemy before. We just bekame one. The silence in the chamber stretched long enough that the Joantem relay began sending stability checks and sire if the foundation had dropped. Greltas broke het the haven no sips. No weapons capable of reaching is. No faster than het capability. What exactly are how suggesting we are afraid of? I am not suggesting fear Villa Ori side carefully. I am suggesting a miscalculation. Our containment plan relied on them not knowing we existed. They know knov. Our fontein men plan relied on disrupting tyr vtol research lei. Intussen hou since te broadcast tyr research output has increased by 900%. We have logget over 4000 neef collaboratieve research triads openheid between institutions dat have never communicated before. We have logget 7 governmentsformale declassifying defense research programs aansaring tem openlei with the elite nations. We have logget se check het herskreen 112 neef funding proposals for space development, 3 of which are already approved. Se look direct lei at the camera. We told tem bewere koming voor tem. Ty sy tank hou voor te diatline. On earte te emergency sessions had produced something nobody expected, agreement. Not perfect agreement, hiemands were incapable of dat, but functional agreement, which was arguably more impressive. The Secretary-General of the United Nations had convened a joint session that included not just member states but the heads of every major aerospace agency, every leading Pisces institution, and, in an unprecedented move, every private space development company on the planet. Tergesra Al-Mansouri, lead theoretical physicist at the Cairo Institute and the woman widely considered the closest human to a working in a fit field theory, had not slept since the broadcast. Ze stood at a whiteboard that had been wheeled into the chamber, marker in hand, talking at a speed that reagered at time of the read to keep up with her notice. The signals for sy pattern tells is a great deal, sy was saying. There is a form of quantum tunneling for communication across distance. Weffe theorized this. Weffe partially demonstrated it in lab settings. The difference between what they doing and what we gaan doen is not a gap in understanding, it's a gap in application. Engineering. Manifestering. Resource commitment. The Brazilian Defense Minister Leonid Forward. Hoe long? For wat? Too close te gap. Al-Mansouri look het at haar whiteboard. Sy had vele 3 of dem already. Indergerend conditions. The jades. Inder emergency conditions with a full global resource commitment and information sharing. Suppose it. Honestly. I don't know. But it's not scientific. Wij verbeen working on deze problems in isolation. Separately. Wij verbeen reinventing te same wheels in 100 different labs. If we stop doing that, tell is wat ou niet, zei TI's president. Al-Mansouri blinket. Sy had admitted bureaucracy. Committees. Approval chains. Everything, sy site. Done, zei de president. Back on the council sip, Chorata had been running neef projections based on Falaores updated data. He said the results down in front of her without a word and step it back. Ze look it at them. Ten ze look it at the man feeds. Ten ze look it at the projections again. If they achieve a basic vital capability, ze site slowly, witten, wat dus te say, witten tertij eiers inderkerend mobilisation rates, 22, Chorata site guideline. De model updated terreetimes weile hou weer jaren. 22 eiers. Voor a civilisation dat had gewone frontier first boven het vlugget to landing ontier moon in sit eiers. Voor a species dat had, in te lasthouder alone generated more collaboratieve research output dan some council member species produced in a decade. Pul uptier waar historie agen falla oorzaait. Not te conflicts. Te endings. Chorata pilit het op. Seria trouge het wat neef is. World waar one endet wat a formal treaty ante creation of an international piaschekeping bodai. World War II endet with the formation of the United Nations. Cold War ended with the nuclear disarmament treaties. Every major conflict in human history had ended not just with a winner but with the construction of something. A framework. An institution. A set of rules designate to prevent the next one. They didn't just fight. They built after every fight something meant to stop fighting. Tere going to kome ep Here fella ooresight. It was not a question. Te projestion sy eis. Antwent hy doe, te wilwand asiat at te table chorat site. Basit on allo behavioral modeling, te will not accept an een arrangement in which te are not egals. Fella ooresight pak. Set hou het about te fortuit worlds of the council. Set hou het about of te had been organiseerd te centuries of careful diplomacy, te power balances so delicately maintain dat adding a fortuit voor te member had been of te table voor eigetij eiers. Set hou het about wat humaniteit wild looklike walking into dat chamber as species dat had survivet nuclear weapons, global pandemics, klimate disruption and its ovenworst impulses. Arriving at the Galactic Council after 22 years of the most concentrated scientific mobilisation in Galactic history. Set hou het about Donna Reyes, sitting in a truck outside a gas station in New Mexico, raising 2 fingers at the sky. Sent a neef message to the council, se site. What's hul to say? Tell them fella ooresight, that we need to talk about what happens if our containment plan fails. Suppose it. And tell them to react to non-compliant species responsibile. Spevitale te lastbage. Chorate pillet ip te file. Efaan te lastbage. Heriat het stalis, weet weer normale as salm olie vergreen, sifte toe pale, was het uit eilof. Te included a first contact diplomatic protocol, he said. At the end. After all the containment measures. Eis fella ooresight. Wij wil te include a diplomatic protocol in a containment file. Bechouse, se said, woever vroete dat file in de stoot someting te rest of the council chose toe ignore. Dat some species gaan not becontain het. Ty gaan onlei benegotiaat het witte. Se stoot ip and moefet toe waar te wind of loking doven at te blee planet beloof. We jes den tank jaarte was one of them. Outside in ty dark between te stars, 14 council monitoring drones had been repositioned to track jaartes neveresiaars outputs. Everheid hertymenitis te numbers updated. Everheid hertymenitis te numbers weer hegerd aan bevore. The planet was not panicking. It was working. And some weer in a in chamber in neef Eurk, der Esra Almansauri had just fillet haar foute weiteboord and was asking for a 5e, 18 eiers passet. Not kaitlei. Not slovlei. 18 eiers of the most relentless, fuchisit, borderline en reasonable scientific progress in human history. 18 eiers during which the rest of the Galasai watchet, updated their projections, and argiet loudly among themselves about what to do next. The council had not followed trouge on the containment plan. Not bechouse they had abandoned it officially, the resolution was still technically on the table, but bechouse every attempt to implement it had run into the same problem. They had planned to disrupt Earth's full research by introducing subtle errors into their data networks, contaminating solid research databases, creating delays in material supply chains for key experiments. All of it had failed. Not bechouse humaniteit had detected the interference, they hadn't, at least not fully, but bechouse humans, Ethernet out, had a redundancy problem. Or rather, they had a redundancy solution. Every dataset existed in multiple copies. Every research triad had parallel teams working independently. Every failure was immediately documented, analyzed, published, and turned into a new research direction by someone else. Ou velden sloofdoven as species dat triated failure as information. Der Jesra Almansauri was 15 years old and had not stopped working since it nugget of the broadcast. Ze had a team of 400 nov spread across 11 countries, operating in a flat hierarchy that baffled visiting academics from more traditional institutions. Tere weer notitless in haar lab tere was no chain of command. Tere was as haar het probleem boord on a wal dat stretch 12 meters, covered in vonete triads of equations and hypotheses and diat eens and breakthrough genotes and every morning. Anione woe had an idea welket it and added to it janitors had added to it a 12-year-old on a student visit had added to it one of the additions from the 12-year-old had solved it as a problem that the senior physicists had been virtling for. Eiget Montes. Almansauri had vra met de original handwritten note aanhang het above te boord. Te data first die man vtol adriefe situated, se was not in te control room. Se was in te breek room, jaten as sandwich, wen te cheer wen trouge te beildinglijke as hokwafe. Se stoot ip, liste net, gaande te seconds of te cheer, it went on voor a fulle 40 seconds, weich was hof se kneef it was real and not a partial result, anten se sat bak doven and fines het her sandwich. Somione burst trouge te door. Dere almansauri te driefe, it worket, jaard, se sait, tjeving. Arend au dont au want toe ilo kilobrate toenighet, se sait. Rigit novi want toe knov wat te varianse riading was, bekause if it was moore tan point te rewe hafe a celebration problem an te celebration is premature. Te varianse was point one eiget. Se kilobrate tat nigit. Te sip was not wat sinse fitjon had imaginet. It was not sleek or dramatisch. It was a raugelei cylindrical vessel, 11 meters long, built by Terre Nations jointly and designated by Atiam of 47 ingenieurs whose sleep schedules had been illegal under international labor standards for approximately 4 years. It looked Somione remarked at the press conference, like a very confident termos. Te kreeg voor te first afvlug het was te reepjople, one piloot, one ingenieur, one physicist. Ante had been chosen from a pool of 60,000 applicants by a selection process so rigorous that it had itself bekome te subject of te doctoral thesis. The pilot was a former combat pilot from South Korea named Han Yise. Sy was ter tyfouwer, spokevouwer langhages, had certificate to crasses, and had a reputation for being socialem interpresiere dat her vlugget instructors had at various points checked her pulse to confirm sy was still a biological organism. When asked at the press conference hof sy felt about being the first iemand to travel faster than ligget, sy had touget about it for a moment and said, ask me when we're back. They left at 06:00 on a Tuesday morning. They returned at 06:01. They had traveled to the outer edge of the solar system and back. Ante journeyed had wild halve taken the fastest preview spacecraft several years had taken them for tijd seconds from their perspective and just over 1 minute from Earth's perspective due to relativistic effects. Hanise stepped off the ship, checked her watch and said, we're back. The world erupted. Above the Pacific, the council ship had been monitoring the Ambassador Falauri had stood at the observation deck for the entire minute, watching the ship disappear and reappear, and when it came back she had walked calmly to her communications console and sent a priority one message to the council. They did it, she said. Eigen eiers from broadcast total capability. Update all projections. The response from the council took its house and arrived in the form of an emergency session invitation. Every ambassador. Maximum priority. Ze attended from her ship, which ze had kindly repositioned to Mars orbit after the a feeling, without being entirely able to justify it, that a little more distance was appropriate. The council session was loud. Greltas of the Voorna Confederacy was loudest. We must echt nog, he said. Immediately. Before het hy skale test technologie. Before het hy build more ships. One ship we van Menage. A fleet we cannot. Witte wat 18. Villa ori asket. Forse. Military interdiction. Disable te drive technologie. Destroy te a vessel if necessary. De chamber wend kait in te specifies waie dit wend Somione had said someting dat everyone was thinking but nobody wanted to but one to say. Villa ori let te kait sit for a moment. Ten sipelit ip afile se had spent 3 months preparing. I want to solve our someting, se said. Te skreen verlit wit a composite analysis, eigeteen eiers of iemand data. Scientific output. Diplomatief restricteren. Military posture. Ressourceallokation. Public sentimenttrekking. Sosiaal mobilisation metris. Se welke tem trouwge het piese by piese, antwoord het so wet was tes, Teimans had not just beenworking onftul. Te had been restrictering ter entire civilisation around te assumption dat te wild eventuele niet to deel witte waterver was optere. Te had created neef international institutions. Te had developed a ineffiet first contact protocol. Te had keitlei antwoord announcing het toe anione assemblet te most comprehensive tenolingheistes database in ter historie, a database specifically designated to help them communicate with a non-human species. Te had been preparing to meet the council. Onteir oven terms. If we destroy the vessel, falla oor side, we will have committed an act of war. Against a species that has not demonstrated full capability, ineffiet political will, and the fastest scientific mobilisation in recorded galactis history. I wildlijke sommige toe ekplein toe me wat we do after that. Nobody spoke. I wild also like to point out, se continued, that they already knove exist. We announced ourselves. We cannot inring dat billo. We gaan destroy one sip. Te wil beil ten moore. We gaan disrupt ty research. Te wil tria te disruption as a puzzle aan solve het vaster dan we kan disrupt het vertreed dat voor eig teen eiers and het achieve het nothing. Suppose it. The containment plan is over. It was over the moment we sent that first broadcast. Council Chair Maren Dos, wo had been Selene Trouwhout, spoke voor the first time. Wat are hou proposing, falla ore? I am proposing that we stop thinking about what we can do to them, society, and start thinking about what happens when they come to us. Because they will come. And when they arrive, they will either come as enemies we created, or as something else. So look it around the chamber. Dat choice is still ours to make. Bid onleibare lei. And onleie we make het soon. Onaarde eigen montes after the first vtoa, the concept was already in der construction. Ten titert. The program was no longer a single project run by 3 nations, it was a full international enterprise with the 41 contributing countries. Der Almansauris Lab had produced a refinite drive designaat was 30% more efficient than the original. Se building Timelines weer collapsing as manifestering technies galgit op to the engineering. Hannie se was training te net kreef. Se was also writing a book, weet se had decided to chal, simply, for 3 seconds. Her publisher had presold 3 miljoen kopies before het manuscript was finished. In te breek Rome of te Cairo Institute, on a voorpoort necht to te koffiemachine, Simeone had pinnet a fotogrape. It was Donna Reis, sitting in her trek, 2 vingers raised, te neef met Chico sky behind her. Inder it, Simeone had written in marker, se seit it first, beloofd dat, in different handwriting, we just profeet it and beloofd dat, in Almansauris of een handwriting, at it one kait morning before Anione Elsa had arrivet, net stop. Ter table te iemand delegation arrivet on at herstui. Nobody had told the council te weer koming on at herstui. Nobody had asked. Te iemand had sent a message 22 hours in advance polite, precise, and written in fluent galactic standard, which the council had not sorted with them, meaning they had reconstructed it from the signal alone. Starting ter internet arrival coördinates, ter vessel identification, and ter reist for formal audience. Ter reist is het de councils of een procedural langgehagen. Perfectly. Including the correct form of address for a governing body of 40 or more member species, which was a technical distinction that most first contact species missed by several tenteries. There was a 12-hour emergency session just about to respond. In the end, the council sent a formal acknowledgement, which was the diplomatic equivalent of saying ice without committing to anything. Then they spent the remaining 10 hours arguing about seating arrangements. The iemand sip entered council space at 0800 hours, council standard time. It was not the same sip that had made the first foto of 4 years ago. It was larger, not enormous, not aggressive in silhouette, but in mistaka bly built for a journey, not just a demonstration. Het moefet wat het 'n kind of confident precision dat sigeste te kreeg wat doen het is, maar hy times in simulation aan several times in praktische run staat te council had klok het bit not publicly acknowledged het. Hanise was at the controls. Ze had bente obvious choice to pilot the first diplomatic mission, and ze had accepted without theatrics or negotiation, asking only for one specific modification to the vessel's exterior. The council monitors noted the modification wente subclame into visual range, along the hill, in letters large enough to read from 2 kilometers, painted in the flat wete of somione wo wanted clarity over drama, weer 2 words. Stilhere ambassador Falaure savet from the observation deck and stood quietly for a long moment. Ten sitternet, walked to the diplomatic reception chamber and waited. The iman delegation was 5 people. Falaure had uitbetted military. Ze had half uitbetted territoriet sergeant wo started het al taugese understood dat was more symbolic uitbetation tan practical. Wat ze had not uitbetted was half ordinary te loket. Not in a diminishing way, in a deeply, in settling way. Te weer different ages, different nations, different backgrounds, and te move into the chamber with the careful confidence of people who had been told ter wole lefest that they did not belong in a room and had decided that was irrelevant. The lead diplomat was a man named Emeka Okoye. Hij was 61 years old, Nigerian-born, former international mediator, and the person who had written the initiate first contact protocol that humanity had been quietly developing for 19 years. Hij walked in looked at Falaure, looked at the assembled council ambassadors, and did not appear impressed or intimidated. Hij appeared focused, which was far more alarming. Dank u voor rekijving is, hij zei in galactic standaard. Falaure in the automatic response of a diplomat who had been vaget of gehoord and needed 2 seconds, replied in kind. Tense kaget herself. Hij reconstructed our language from a single signal transmission. We had 19 years Okoye said. And excellent linguists. Also our signal was very detailed. A pause. We appreciated the thoroughness. Some weer in the chamber, one of the smaller council ambassadors made a sound that made charitably, half been distributed as a suppressed lag. Greltas of the forna confederacy was not charitably inclined. He leaned forward from his seat, the largest seat, custom built, at the end of the council arch. How half nu standing to beheere, he said, and his voite karite verweigert of 7 feet of solid granite diplomatie. How weer not invited as members. How half not completed the standard application process. How half not submitted the required cultural compatibility assessments, the 7 cycle observation period, how announced ourselves to is, Okoye said pleasantly. Dat changes the standard process. We checked our oven procedural code. Artikel 14, section 9, when a council member initiates contact with a non-member species, the standard observation and application timeline is waived, and both parties enter immediate diplomatic status. He reached into his jacket and produced a document. A bicycle document printed on actual paper because Somione on the delegation had pointed out that bringing paper was a subtle signal about confidence in their ability to live with it in time. We prepared a summary. He set it on the table. The chamber was very quiet. Falaure picked it up. It was, in fact, a perfect citation of Article 14, Section 9. It was also annotated with the 3 supporting subclauses and a precedent case from 400 years ago in which the Tyrrhenian Compact had issued the same article to gain diplomatic standing after uninvited contact. The Imans had found a precedent case from 400 years ago in Galactus legal history and cited it correctly in a document printed on paper. Ze toughed about what ze had said to Chorat, 19 years ago, above the Pacific Ocean. Wanneer to reddenk tes entire operation, ze had not redhougd het neerlei enough. Council chair Marendos etten dit one translucent blue hand. Villa ore passe te dokument. Marendos riad het Marendos dit not have a fase taat so wet et pression easelei, bid so meting moefet behin toese aan schient eis, so meting taat migget, en a mitch hunger bang, have been chalet respect. Hou have doene ou resiarch Marendos site. Wijfe had a long time to prepare, ook wee site. Bewerend planning to kome intil we weer riadei. Ant hou beliefe hou are riadei. Ook wee fondse de red te giestion serieus lei. We beliefe weer riadei en oog te beheere. Weter weer riadei voor e verreiting dat volofs wil vind uit toegeter. He look it around the chamber meeting each set of eis intern. Taats generalei hovet works in our et perinse. The session dat volowet lasted 14 hours. It was not the efficient procedural etchange that the council typically conducted. It was en wys dat made several ambassadors deeplei incomfortable ant atlias toe kaitlei deligted aan negotiation. Not a reist. Not an application. A negotiation conducted by a species that had spent 19 eiers te ding every recorded gelactus diplomatisch incident and had clearly taken notice. Humanity did not ask to be admitted to the council. They asked instead for a formal framework of mutual recognition, a bilateral treaty structure that would give them observer status with a definite rights, a clear pathway to full membership, and crucially, a seat at the table for an decision that affected their solar system. They brauchen detailed proposals. They brauchen counter-proposals for the counter-proposals they anticipated. When Greltas attempted a procedural maneuver that would have tablet the entire decision for a standard review cycle for the eiers one of the human delegations ounger members a 20 eier old legal solar named Prias Harma. Kiet twee separate presidents dat neutraliseert de maneuver before Greltas had finished his sentence. He started at her. Houre 20 eiers old. 27 next monte se site. Dus dat afet de presidents. Bij haar eigen even Greltas had stoppe trying to obstruct and started trying to negotiate. It was Villa Uri reflected the most honest session the council had held in decades. Usually council sessions were performances, carefully choreographed etchanges between parties who had pre-agreed on outcomes and were acting out the form for the record. This was different. This was 5 iemans who had walked in witte no leverage accept their own preparation, their own precedents, their own relentless refusal to accept that they didn't belong at the table. Negotiating in real time witte fortuitere civilizations that had spent 19 eiers trying to figure out how to stop them from existing as a problem. The iemans had change te framing entirely. They weren't a problem to bemanaged. They were a partij to bedeeld witte. De framework treaty was initialet, not signet initialet, al gestuurde of intent pending formal ratification, at haar 14. Observer status, definite rights, a 12-year pathway to full membership review. It was not a verreiting the mans had komen voor. It was more than an non-member species had ever walked out of a first session witte. When it was doene, Emeka Okoye stoot and ettende his hand. It was a human gestuurde and several ambassadors didn't know what to do with it Villa Uri, who had spent 12 eiers studying humans before it is and 19 eiers thinking about them after, stepped forward and took it. How wrote the report, Okoye side kaitlei, so onlyse culture. The one that started all of this. It did, se side. Read it, he said. It was verreitorig. How miss it of 5 things. Ik know, ze said. Ifa had 19 eiers to think about what he missed. Is me late. It was a human expression ze had catalogie thousands of times in her research, warmte, acknowledgement, a little bit of solid understanding. Were a lot to talk in, he said. Eis ze agreed. How are? Outside the council chamber in te docking by, stille here sat in its berte, her letters visibly to an eone wo walked by. 3 of the council's junior staff members had already asked chorate wat het meant. Hij had it plainet. 2 of them had seemed confessed. One of them, a eng terrenian wo hat groven e perioding about te fortuit resefond afvlugget, hat stoot antloket at te letters voor a long time aan ten gewone bak to work without saaiing aanuiting, bedifferent lei. Wit aan energiese had bevore. Onearte te neefsbroke at approximately 0300 in neef met Chico, weere Donna Reis was awake aan hy wy bekouse se was old enouge dat sleping trouge te nigget had bekome aan negotiation wit haar ovenbodei. Haar pone lid op wit aan message from haar granddochter. Jest a link to te neefs broadcast. No words. Jest a string of emoji a rocket a star 2 vingers. Sy sat op ternet on te television, ant wat jy te voetage of te iemand delegation walking out of the council chamber. Sy wat jy emeka oekwe gefe statement to te cameras, kalm, meseret, saing dat thuis was a beginning, not an ending. Ant dat te work a het wild reire if writing humanity had leer net about itself over its entire history of getting things wrong aan trying again. Sy wat jy haar granddochter, wo work het in Pria's harmaas legal tiam, appor brieflei in te background of te voetage, looking adjusted ant ingande stentlei hapai. Donna Reis net of te television. Sy sat in te dark voor a moment. Tensy reis het haar hand, alone in haar living room at 3 in the morning, and held op 2 vingers. Nobody saw it said it anyway. Dat was the thing about die mans that the council had never fully accounted for, and perhaps never fully wild. They didn't do things because Simeone was watching. They did them because the things mattered. Te gestuurde mattered. Te defiance mattered. Te refusal to besmal in te fase of someting enormous, dat mattered, even in an empty room, even in te dark, even wen te onlei audience was te niggetske outside te wind of, full of starstad nog held. At least in one chamber of one station orbiting one of them, as siat with het haar name on het not gefeen. Not granted. Negotiated, documented, cheated with the presidents, and zich net in ink on paper te had carried across the starstem selfs. The galasai had triate net earte. Humaniteit had answer het with the 2 words. Ten ty spent nie net een eiersmaking sire toe se 2 words weer tree.